Hey there, welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Gamesir X2S Type-C mobile controller. This controller promises a blend of retro design and modern performance, tailored for mobile gaming enthusiasts. Let's break down its features, design, performance, and whether it's worth your investment. The Gamesir X2S Type-C sports a nostalgic design reminiscent of the Nintendo 2DS, featuring a purple and gray color scheme. Despite its budget-friendly pricing, the controller feels lightweight and somewhat plasticky. Lacking the premium feel of higher-end alternatives like the Backbone 1 or Razer Kishi V2. One standout feature is the adjustable Type-C connector, which swivels to accommodate various phone sizes and even allows usage with thin phone cases. This flexibility ensures a snug fit without risking damage to your phone or the controller, addressing a common frustration with other controllers in its class. In terms of performance, the Gamesir X2S Type-C impresses with its tactile buttons, precise thumbsticks, and responsive triggers. It utilizes Hall effect technology for enhanced durability, promising longevity without issues like stick drift. Whether you're playing native mobile games or streaming via platforms like Xbox Cloud Gaming or Amazon Luna, it delivers a seamless experience with minimal setup required. Should you buy the Gamesir X2S Type-C? If you're looking for a cost-effective mobile gaming controller that doesn't compromise on performance, this could be an excellent choice. Its ergonomic design, robust button configuration, and broad compatibility make it a standout in its price range. However, if you prioritize premium build quality or require a headphone jack, you might want to consider higher-end alternatives. That wraps up our review of the Gamesir X2S Type-C mobile controller. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product critiques and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!